We are Group 7, and we will be presenting Big Al Canteen, which is a dining hall on the University of Alabama's campus. Our dining hall's main area of concern is for improved customer satisfaction. As we've learned in this course, customer satisfaction is important in managing a food service facility. We chose this quote, "There is only one boss, the customer," by Sam Walton. Big Al Canteen is a self-serve buffet-style dining hall, providing the University of Alabama's College of Human Environmental Sciences students, faculty, and staff high-quality and nutritious foods. Our dining area can accommodate up to 100 seats. We offer a large selection of healthy, prepackaged foods and snacks for on-the-go eating for busy schedules of students and staff. Our mission is to serve our students and staff high-quality, nutritious foods to fuel them throughout their busy days. We strive to have our food and beverage items fully stocked, as well as consistently keeping the dining hall clean. Our vision is to provide well-rounded options for students and staff to consume balanced and nutritious meals. We maintain an abundant staff with a manager on duty at all times to assist students and fellow staff. At the same time, we keep the dining hall organized, clean, and running smoothly.
Looking at the survey results, Big Al Canteen's performance showed that we are not living up to the quality standards that we set for ourselves or the standards that our customers can come to expect from us. The areas where Big Al Canteen performed well were food and beverage quality and overall cleanliness. 36% of surveyors rated our dining hall as good, and 38% rated us as excellent for quality of food and beverage. However, about 22% rated us as poor or average, which shows we still have areas we need to improve upon. For overall cleanliness of the facility, 48% of surveyors rated us as good, 34% rated us as excellent. However, about 20% of surveyors rated us as poor or average, which shows that we need to make sure the garbage is disposed of frequently, the floors remain clean, and the dishes are not piled up. Some positive comments that our dining hall received were that we have a friendly staff. All the people were really friendly, and the experience in hospitality was excellent. I will be attending again. Although our dining hall received positive feedback, there were still areas that require improvement in order for us to reach our goal of 100% customer satisfaction.
The areas where Big Al Canteen did not perform well were a manager on duty and attendant available to clean the tables. 50% of surveyors stated that there was no manager on duty. 31% of surveyors stated that there was no one available to clean the dining hall's tables. Negative comments that our dining hall received were some of the dishes that were set out were still dirty. The only downside was that I didn't see a manager on duty, and I also didn't see any staff members wiping off the dirty tables. And the floor needs to be cleaned. I noticed straw wrappers and food on the floors. Looking at the fishbone diagram for food production, it shows our need for a variety in fresh foods and vegetarian options. If we have more variety for our customers, this will help to improve overall customer satisfaction. Using the fishbone diagram for sanitation, we identified the need for a regular cleaning schedule, which will ensure the tables are cleaned regularly, the floors are kept clean, and dishes are not piling up, and the trash cans are not overflowing. A clean dining hall will help improve overall cleanliness and customer satisfaction.
First action plan is to ensure a ServSafe certified manager is present in the dining hall at all times. We will require all managerial staff to hold and maintain a ServSafe manager certification. The outcome is that a certified manager has positive correlation with more effective control of food safety risk factors and can properly lead staff in the best practices of maintaining a clean and safe facility. The timeline for this action plan is within the first 30 days of hire. Our second action plan is to train staff on hot and cold food holding requirements. We will require all staff members to complete and stay up to date with the hot and cold temperature training. The outcome is that all food will be held at the correct temperature to ensure safety and customer satisfaction. The timeline for this action plan is within the first 2 weeks of hire. Our third action plan is to implement frequent time and temperature logs. We will require that food must be checked every 2 hours to ensure food is held at the correct temperatures. The outcome for this action plan is that corrective action can be taken if food is not held at the correct temperature. This slide previews the time and temperature log that we use on a daily basis. Our fourth action plan is to ensure that the drink and ice machines are working properly. We will create a maintenance and repair schedule for the equipment. The outcome for this action plan is 100% of the machines will function properly and will be available for use. The timeline for this is within 5 to 10 business days. This is an example of the maintenance log that we use in our dining hall.
Our fifth action plan is to increase the variety of healthy food options. By implementing this plan, we will increase overall customer satisfaction. The outcome is that our menu will reflect more healthy options. The timeline for this is to create a steady increase within our first 30 days of improving our menu. Our sixth action plan is to purchase more trash cans to ensure there are enough in our dining hall. Our staff will make sure trash cans are readily available, and the outcome for this action plan is that our customers will have convenient access to trash cans, and our staff will empty them regularly to maintain cleanliness in our dining hall. Our seventh action plan is to ensure that the trash cans are emptied frequently. We will make sure that the trash is disposed of after each meal. The outcome for this action plan is that our facility will remain clean and our customers will have room to dispose of their trash after each meal. Our eighth action plan is to create a detailed daily cleaning schedule. Our staff will complete a daily checklist of cleaning duties during each shift. The outcome for this action plan is that our facility will remain clean at all times, and the timeline for this is within 1 week. This slide previews the daily cleaning schedule and checklist that we use. Our ninth and final action plan is to ensure the dish racks are emptied frequently. Our staff will ensure the dish conveyor belt has plenty of room for the customer's dirty dishes. The outcome for this action plan is that the dishes will be washed, sanitized, and returned for serving in a timely manner. This will take place after each meal cycle. In conclusion, we remain committed to constantly evaluating our processes and listening to guest feedback to improve overall customer experience for our guests. We will always strive for 100% customer satisfaction within our dining hall.